All right, this is my econet thermostat. It is for my Rude two-stage communicating system. The good thing about these particular systems, they do have humidity control on them. Right now we got 50% relative humidity inside the house. Enable for dehumidification, yes. It also can control a few other things if need be. Right now we're just set up for two-stage air conditioning. The schedules on this particular one, you can have Monday through Sunday, 6 a.m. Comes on, and then you have heat and cool, 68 or 70 degrees. You can set it at anything. Each one of these can actually be changed. As you see, it's changing there, and every temperature actually can be changed individually, whether it be the Monday through Sunday, it doesn't make any difference. They can all be changed. This is kind of hard to do through a camera, but we're getting it done. After you're finished setting your days in auto or on or heat or cool only, then you can go right back here, switch it back. You can actually change the colors on the background of the thermostat. You would just hit any color on here. We'll hit red, we'll accept it, and then it changes it to red. You can go back to your settings, you can go back to your colors, and you can go ahead and change it back to any other color there. I don't think I hit it there, so we're going to go back again. There we go. Accept that, don't changing our color back, okay? Our status on the system tells you that this particular one is a furnace and 70 degrees, 44% relative humidity. Thermostat mode at this point in time is off. Outdoor temperature is 48 degrees. The equipment operating status is fan. So if we come over here and we go into the auto mode, there's the fan is in medium high. We can actually turn the fan in the off position so that it only comes on in the auto mode. The heat point is set at 68. You can raise it up or down, and you actually have a temperature setting, and it will override the inside temperature up to 2 hours, or at 2 hours. Right now it's set at 2 hours. After the 2 hours, it would go back to the programming of the system. If you go ahead and hit this one more time, it's in the cool mode now. Once it's in the cool mode, again, you can lower the thermostat whatever temperature you would like it at. Now, once you go back to heat and cool, that puts it in the auto position. If you want to know what each one of them is set at, then if you go ahead over to your settings and you go to schedule, it's set at 68 and 70 degrees. Go back over here. Now, one of the things on your schedule is, since each one of these is set at 68 and 70, I can change one day, hit copy day, and therefore I can copy it to the next day if I want to. Other than that, basic is telling you right there at the top, the second one down is schedule override time 2 hours. I just said it's set at 70 degrees for cooling. If I want to make it 68, it'll ride 68 for 2 hours, then go back to the set time of the schedule. So you can change any of these things here. Your deadband is 2 degrees on there, which means the system will kick on 2 degrees later. That is our econet Wi-Fi thermostat for our Rude system. It's set up for our communicating system, and you can program this into your iPhone through an app through Rude. This is Taylor and Tyler Air Conditioning Heating. If you have any questions, call the office, 364-1411.